Hello and welcome to my first tutorial video. In this episode I will be focusing on the hood of a Toyota Supra. Unfortunately, I won't be going into great detail about everything I'm doing in the video, but if you're a beginner, hopefully you can still learn something new. So I start out by adding a plane to get to a single vertex that I can use to trace around the blueprint. And here I'm just going around different angles, making sure I'm following the curvature of the car. And it's probably a good idea to also have some type of reference images for the car so you can see parts that are hard to see from a 2D blueprint. You'll see me use the spacing and relax tool quite often here to make the vertices evenly spaced and to smooth them out. And don't forget to add in a mirror modifier with clipping enabled so you don't have to do the work on both sides separately. I'm gonna be speeding this part up as I'm going around matching all the vertices to the blueprint and the curves of the car. And here I'm just making sure the vertices on the left curve match the vertices on the right curve so that we get evenly spaced faces when we use the grid fill tool. And as you can see, I'm doing the cutout of the headlights now instead of like how I did it earlier before I had the curvature of the hood done correctly. So here I'm just cleaning up the geometry a bit so we don't have any triangles. And here's a bit of cleanup of the topology so we have a nice and clean looking model. And that is the final model. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching.